Hey creatives, today we're going to learn one trick that I've been using for years on how to become a better designer. Let's go. Hey designers, hey creatives, how you guys doing? My name is Michael from The Faithful Creative and welcome to my channel. In the background, my beautiful wife. Say hey. There we go. She might be out of focus, but she's there. So today, we're going to speak about how to become a better designer. Now, everyone and their dog can tell you that you need to do X, Y, and Z. I've been using one thing for years that's actually made me a better designer in terms of my craft and in terms of how I look at things. And literally, it's not even a secret, really, because people have been doing it for years. How to become a better designer? Copy. That's right, just copy. So, what I tend to do, I tend to go on like things like Pinterest, or I look at other agencies' websites and I look at things that have been designed that I really like the look of. And because obviously I wasn't on that project, I'm always very curious to see how this particular piece of design has been crafted. So what I tend to do is take a screenshot and I stick it into whatever software it's related to. So if it's a brand identity thing, I might put it into Illustrator. If it's an app or website, I might stick it into Figma. And literally, I will start copying it pixel for pixel. Now, there's nothing wrong in that, because what you're actually going to get is you're going to understand what it took to create that particular craft. Now, it might not be in the way you've done it, but what you're doing is the more you're doing it and the more you're trying to figure out how this thing was particularly positioned, how it was lit, how the colors work together, what type was used, how it's spaced out, the letter space. You're learning all these things subliminally about typography setting, about color use, about color pairing, about positioning, about proximity, about all of these things that will actually help you become a better designer. That's it, really. And the more you do it, the better you will become as a better designer. I promise you. Like, I'm still designing now. I've been designing for almost 14, 15 years now. And I still see some things on an app that I really like. I take a screenshot, get it into Figma, and literally figure out how it works. And it also helps you to think about why certain designers and certain creatives use certain things. And this doesn't just apply across design. This applies in music. If you like a particular piece of music, I do this as well. Get that piece of music and try and recreate it. It's only in the recreation or the reverse engineering or something you can really understand what goes behind making this beautiful piece of music or this beautiful piece of art. Literally, go ahead and try it. Sometimes not even 100%, but you're learning, right? You're learning. And the more you do this, I recommend you do this at least a couple times a month. Just give yourself a good day. Give yourself a few hours, an evening, whatever. Take something and really work on it. Figure out how the gradients were used. Think about how the type was used. Think about why things were positioned in a particular way. And as you're laying this out and as you're really figuring out how these things work, you're also learning your craft. You're learning the tools of how the particular piece of software you're using works. You're learning so much. Trust me, this will make you a good designer, because from there you can then take what you've learned and use that as a basis to create more ideas. Do not be afraid to take inspiration from things you've seen already. There is nothing new under the sun, I promise you. Everything you're seeing has been done before, it's just come around again. There's nothing wrong with taking inspiration. There's nothing actually wrong with copying, as long as you take something and try to just give it a different spin. Literally. I hope that helps. It's a really quick video today, but I really hope that you're going to take this tool and run with it. And trust me, across your whole career, in whatever sphere of creativity you work in or whatever sphere of creativity you're in, if you use this training technique to train yourself, you will become a better writer, better designer, better filmmaker, better musician. It's all part of practice. Take something that you already see, try and recreate it, and from there, build upon it. Catch you guys soon. Bye.